Warning. What you're about to watch has not been sanctioned by the United States intelligence community, even though this is the biggest breakthrough in the history of data analysis. Many details of this top-secret CIA project have remained a secret for 15 years. That means this powerful tool has been completely off-limits to everyday folks like you. Now, for the first time ever, the man who developed this tool is unofficially declassifying everything. Please do not share this with non-cleared persons, including friends and family members. Hi, I'm John Byrne, and thank you for joining us on this exclusive broadcast. I'm holding an authorized version of a classified government document in my hand. It was published by the CIA in the prestigious journal Studies in Intelligence, and it describes the inner workings of a powerful tool my guest developed while working with the U.S. government. A tool that can tip you off about surprising political and economic events before they happen, giving you the chance to get ahead of big market moves and walk away with an average of $15,760 every 2 weeks. It's more than $30,000 a month. And as my guest will show you in just a moment, it couldn't be easier. Simply watch these blinking lights on the screen. Once they turn green, you target that stock by placing one simple trade, then cash out a few days later, potentially with a small fortune. As you're about to see, what started as one of the most unusual analytic projects in CIA history became the world's most powerful predictive tool. Again, please do not share this with anyone who hasn't been invited by us to this broadcast. I'll explain why in a moment, but first, let me introduce you to my